Yes, Madhu, my screen is visible to you. Can you see my screen? Hello, Madhu, can you see my screen? Hello. Madhu, you're not audible. Ashia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Madhu.
Hello.
Speak. You're not audible. Madhu, if you will not speak, how you will understand or how I will know
Hello.
what? Yes. So you can see my screen? Madhu, can you see my screen? Madhu, unmute yourself. Madhu, you can understand English properly or Hindi? Madhu.
Hello.
Hello, Madhu.
Madam.
I'm
Hello.
talking to you on phone. Can you hear me? Can you see my screen? You can understand English properly? I can teach you either in English or Hindi. So you can understand Hindi or English? Madhu, can you please speak? चितवन, अर्षा, आप लोग को आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
हेलो अर्षा,
हाँ मैम.
ये एक्स्ट्रा सरफेस क्यों क्रिएट किया है? ये सॉलिड नहीं है, ये ब्रेक है, ये मेटल पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं किया था आपने, ज्वाइन नहीं है, ये सॉलिड नहीं है क्योंकि इसको ज्वाइन नहीं किया है आपने। और मैंने क्या बोला था कि ये पूरा बना के हाफ साइड आपको डिलीट करना है, वो कहाँ किया आपने?
मैम इसमें मेरे वो अरे पोलार सब में वो यूज किया मैंने.
अरे पोलार किया तो हाफ डिजाइन है ना, डिजाइन में जो मैंने दिया है वो कैसे करेंगे?
ठीक है मैम.
पहले तो जो सॉलिड नहीं है उसको सॉलिड करिए। ये देखिए एक्स्ट्रा सरफेस नहीं क्रिएट होना चाहिए, ये ज्वाइन नहीं है, ये ज्वाइन नहीं किया आपने, ये सरफेस नहीं क्रिएट हुआ, सॉलिड नहीं क्रिएट हुआ, ऐसे पूरा चेक करके उसके बाद कंप्लीट करिए। और हाफ पार्ट मुझे चाहिए जो डिजाइन में है, वो कैसे करेंगे वो दिखाइए।
ठीक है।
मधु चितवन आपने वो बनाया था?
यस मैम।
शेयर करिए।
कर देती हूँ।
Yes, now can you hear me, Madhu?
Yes, madam. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
So my screen is visible to you?
Yes, madam.
You can see the software screen?
Yes, madam.
Yes, okay. चितवन मैं देखती हूँ वाला डिजाइन, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So Madhu, this is the first class. So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Rhino software which you have to learn, and in this we have 4 view where you will not understand, stop me and you can ask again and again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
Madhu?
Okay, madam.
Okay. So we have 4 view in this software: top view, front view, right view, perspective view. So in top view, whatever design you want to create, any motive you want to make, you have to start a design, you have to start in the top view.
Okay.
Meaning whatever you will make in the top view first, the outline of that design.
Okay.
Then after creating the outline, when you will create the 3D object of that outline, you can see properly in front view, right view, and perspective view. So the thickness you can easily see in front view and right view. If
Okay.
it is ring, bangle, bracelet, all this you have to start in the front view, not in the top view. The design in the ring, bangle, bracelet, that you have to do in the top view, but the base, the ring, the bangle, the bracelet, when you will start, you have to start in the front view. Then right view, the thickness when you will give, you can see it easily in the right view or front view. And when you will place diamond, the diamond is placed properly or not, everything you can see in both front view and right view. And in perspective view, if you want to zoom a particular view, you have to double click, left click your mouse, double click, and you will get that view in a full screen. So in perspective view, you can rotate your screen to 360 view, meaning you can see your design from each and every angle, or you can show your design to the client or the customer in 360 view, so that easily they can understand what you have made or the design what they have asked for. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
Okay. Now, in this, can you see the back in background? There are grids, small square boxes are there. Yes. So that
Okay.
that box is of 1 mm. Whatever you will calculate here, if you're making line or you're drawing circle or you're creating rectangle, everything, the measurement is in millimeter.
Okay.
If the client is giving you the design, any pendant design or earring design, and saying that I want this into inch, so inch you have to convert in millimeter, and then you have to make according to that. Because here we do everything, the measurement we do in millimeter. Okay.
Okay.
So the small box is of 1 mm, and then this big box, you can see easily, this big box is of 5 mm, because in one big box, you can see 5 boxes are fitted in this.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is for the guideline. Easily you can see, if I tell you 5 mm line I want to make, so from this end to this end, it will be 5 mm. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, as I told you, if you want only top view on your screen, double click here. You will get the top screen. Now, if you want the 4 view back, double click again where top is written, you will get it back. Or if you want to maximize this only top view, can you see this drop down arrow where top is written? Side you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
And the first option is maximize. So you can click here, you will get the screen of top view. So full screen, you can, this 4 view, you can get it from here also. You have to click here. This is 4 view port. When you will left click your mouse here, you will get the 4 view back.
Okay.
Not only top view, suppose if you want right view, double click on right view, or here in right view, the restore, then all the 4 view, you will get it. Okay, if you want only 3 view. So in this 4 view port, you have the small arrow, drop down arrow, click here. The first one is 3 view port. Here, see, only top view, front view and perspective view is there. Again, if you want 4 view, click here. You will get all the 4 view back.
Okay.
So which view you want, you can get it. 4 view, then maximize restore viewport. If you will click on this, only perspective view will be zoomed. Okay,
Yes,
so you
okay.
can change it from here also, perspective, front, right, clear. So many ways are there to use one command. Which one is easy for you, you can use that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how to open a new file? First, you will open the file from here. The software you have to open. 1 minute. Okay. The file first, you have to open it from here. Rhinoceros 5, 64 bits. You have the software, right?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Double click on this, then do yes. And it will open. Now, if you want to open a new file, so suppose I have created something here, suppose like this. Okay. So when you will click on the new, it will ask whether you want to save it, this file you want to save it or not. If you don't want to save it, you have to press no, and this file will not be saved and a new file will open. But if you will click on yes, then it will ask where you want to save this file or what name you want to give to this file. Suppose I want to save this file in my desktop. Then with 1, 2, 3, suppose. And save type as, you don't have to change it.
Okay.
And save. So now because we have clicked on this new file, it will open a new file. So it's asking which one you want to open. So we work only in millimeter. So millimeter and open. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Now before when I showed you, there was only 5 boxes in one big box, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now this is 10. So
Yes.
when you will open the file, new file from here, it will change the 5 boxes will change into 10. So how you can change the file? This you can change it if you want, or if you want to use this only, you can use it. But if this is 10 boxes, you have to zoom it too much. So what we do, we change it. So how to change to 5 boxes again? Go to view, grid options.
Okay.
Okay. So grid options here, you can see major line every is 10. You can change it to 5. Nothing you have to change other than this and okay. See, got the 5 boxes?
Yes, yes.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll tell you few tools. Then you have to try it, whether you can do it or not. If you can do it, then we will proceed, or else I'll tell you again.
Okay.
Now, after this new file, we have open. Open meaning if you have saved the previous file or if you have saved any file before, so you can open that. So click here, so it will open. So I have saved the previous file with the name 123. So when you will open the file here, the present file will be closed and the file you have selected will open. See. Clear? Madhu,
Yes,
clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So how to open a new file, how to open Rhino software, and how to open a previous file is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All the 4 view, how to open one single view on your screen. This is clear.
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now, after this, we have save option. So if you want, if you are working on this, if you are making design, you have to save your file after every 3 to 4 steps. Because now we are making very small objects or small motifs. When you will create your design and if you will not save your file, what will happen? If it is by any chance the laptop shuts down or any reason you have not saved your file, then all the designs will go if you have not saved the design.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's better you have to save your design. So with this, so I have already saved and nothing I have drawn again. So it is written file successfully written. So it's saved.
Yes.
Now, few tools, because it's not just for the jewelry. So this software is not only for the jewelry field. So few tools are not needed here. So that we will skip that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we don't need to print it. If you want to print it and you have printer, you can print your design.
Okay.
But it's not needed here. Then this document properties, we don't need it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'll share you the notes. In notes, each and everything is written. I'll share you the shortcut keys also. You can see and you can do it. And for after every class, the recording will be shared to you.
Okay, ma'am.
So now suppose I have created few circles. Circles you have to create it from here. This is circle.
Okay.
If you have created with the measurement, that is okay. If you have created roughly, you can do that also. So suppose I've created this. Now the next option is cut. So I'll open one more file. 1 minute. Okay. So suppose I want to cut the circles which are merging with one another. So all this, leaving this each and every single circle is merging somewhere. So I want to cut this from here. See, when you will click on this, now you cannot see that all these circles here. So now you want to paste it in the other file. So you have to click here. Then the next option is this one, yellow one. This is paste. See. Cut and paste is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So the shortcut key for cut is Control X, like we do in Word.
Yes, yes.
Microsoft Word. This Word you use. Control X is for cut. Control V is for paste. And if you want to copy, so you can click on this center one. This is copy. You can click here or Control C.
Okay.
And here Control V.
Okay.
So Control X is for cut. Control C is for copy. And Control V is for paste.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want to undo, so you have to click on this.
Okay.
See.
Hmm.
So we have copied again. So you can undo it. And when you will click again, it will be redo. So
Okay.
undo and redo, you can click it from here. Or the shortcut key is for undo and redo is Control Z and Control Y. Control Z is undo. Control Y is redo. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you want, suppose your design is somewhere here. If your design is somewhere here and it's not visible. So now you want to bring that design in the center. So what you will do with this help of this pan view, select this and you can drag it like this, your screen.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to reuse your command, you don't have to every time go here and click. Right click and you will use your command again. Okay.
Okay.
So you can move it till here. Suppose I want, place this properly here. Okay. So this pan view is clear. Anywhere you want to move your screen, see like this, you can move it.
Okay.
Right click, you will use your command again because see, now the command ends. If you want to reuse a command, right click and you can use the pan view again. Clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Next to this, we have rotate view. So rotate view, it won't work in top view, front view or right view. That we will need this in perspective view.
Okay.
Because in perspective view, you can rotate 360 view, right?
Yes,
so you will click here and see, you can rotate your view.
Okay.
If by mistake you have used rotate view here, so it is perspective view only. So now to set this view to top view again, you have to click on this drop down, set view, top, and you will get the top view back.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Now see, whatever you have created in the top view, in front view and right view, you can see only a straight line.
Yes, yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you will give the 3D object, you will create 3D object, then you can see the thickness in front view and right view.
Okay.
So how to create the 3D object? Select, then go to solid. Then in solid, extrude planar curve, straight. Okay?
Okay.
Now see, can you see the thickness?
Mm.
Solid should be yes. If you want both sides, then yes or else no. When you will give the thickness of any metal, if it is plain gold, if you're creating design and it is plain gold, the minimum thickness of the metal should be 0.5. Not
Okay.
less than that. Anything you will create, the minimum thickness of the metal should be 0.5. It is if it is plain gold.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So from 0.5 to 1, you can take it. If it is, you have placed diamonds or any stone is there, then the minimum thickness of the metal should be 0.8 to 1.2. Maximum you can take 1.5, not more than that. Okay, Arshia,
Okay.
Chitwan, this is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'll take 1, enter. So now see, it's visible as a, it's not solid. So what you will do, you have to click on the perspective view, and here this is wire frame. So it is visible as wire. So you have to do it shaded. Now can you see a 3D object? Yes, clear?
Yes. Yes, madam.
Yes, okay. So any doubt, Madhu, till here?
No, madam.
No? Okay. After this rotate view, we have zoom in, zoom out. So when you will select this, if you want to zoom in, suppose if it is like this, it's not visible that this is properly merging here or not. So what you can do, zoom dynamic, and you can zoom it and you can see it.
Okay.
Suppose you don't want to zoom it too much and you know that you have to see the zooming part here. So the next option to this is zoom window. So particular place, if you want to zoom it, you can create this rectangle, the place you want, and it will be zoomed. So zoom in, zoom out, you can do it from here, and zoom window, you can do it for the particular area. Clear?
Yes, clear. Madam.
Yes?
Yes, clear, madam.
Okay. So all this is not needed. Zoom selected, then undo view change, and then zoom extend. All this is not needed. 4 viewport, I have already told you. And this right view, this is also not needed. Set C plane origin, not needed. Now select all. So if you want to select all the objects which are present here, you can drag it like this from left to right and you can select it. Or you can click on this and select all. See, all will be selected. Clear?
Okay,
If you want to select some selected object, suppose this and this. So when I'm selecting this one, the other one is deselected, right?
Yes.
So to select this, you have to press shift. Keep pressing shift, and whatever object you want to select, you can select.
Okay.
So to select multiple objects, you have to keep pressing shift and click on the object.
Okay.
Suppose I don't want this one, only this and this I want. So you have to keep pressing control, and which one you don't want, you have to click on that. So to deselect, you have to press control, keep pressing control, and to select multiple object, keep pressing shift. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after this, we have option of hide object, show object, lock object, unlock object. So suppose I only want this object, rest I want hidden. So what you will do, drag and select, and when you will click on this hide object, see.
Okay.
So easily you can hide the object if it is not needed when you are making the design.
Okay.
So how to bring that back? Click on this drop down arrow, and the second option is show object.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You will get that back. Now, if I'll hide all this, hide, and I want some selected object. So click on this right click, and the third option, show selected object. So now, whatever you have hidden, everything will be seen. What object you want that it should be visible, you have to click on that and then press enter. Rest, everything will be hidden, and the object which you have selected will be on the screen. Clear?
Yeah, clear, ma'am.
So show object, hide object, and show selected object is clear.
Clear, madam.
Yes. Now suppose I don't want to work on this, all the 3D object. I don't want to work on. So what I'll do, you can lock it also. If it is locked, it will be in gray color. See. And you cannot move, you cannot work on this. See.
Okay.
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 This you can work on. See.
Hmm.
Clear? If it is locked, you cannot move, you cannot work on it.
Okay.
So next option is to unlock object, you can unlock it. If it is in gray color, meaning it is locked. So same, if you have the option, the third option is unlock selected object. So like show selected object, we have the option of unlock selected object. So now suppose I want only this to be unlock, select this, rest everything will be locked again. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. So from here, new file, till this lock object, unlock and show unlock object, unlock selected object. All this is clear?
Clear, madam.
Okay. So one more command, suppose, because I have not made this with the measurement, just manually I have created the circle. And if someone is asking you what measurement is of this circle, so what you can do, before this question mark, we have linear dimension. Select this, any measurement you can select from here. See, first point, second point. How you are getting this point? See, 17.63. So how you are getting this point? It's showing this point, how you are getting. So this, you can get it with this O snap. You have to, this this will be like this. Oh snap. You have to click on this. It should be always on. And when you have clicked on this, it is in bold color. You have to tick mark all this. 1 minute. So you have to click on this. You will get all this: end, near, point, mid, center, intersection, perpendicular, tan, quad, everything. So end, near, point, mid, center, intersection, perpendicular, and quad. You have to tick mark all this. Okay, then only when you will do the measurement, it will show you. See, if it is off, it will not show you the measure. How you will measure it then? See,
Okay.
if you are doing it with a, see, now it is different. Slightly it is missed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this should be always on. Okay, and this gumball, this also. O snap, smart track, and gumball should always be on. Smart track is which help you to work smartly. So this should be on. You don't have to do anything, just it should be marked on. And gumball, if it is off, see, if I tell you I want to move this straight, is it going straight? No. So if gumball is on, you will get the arrow. Can you see the arrow now? If gumball is on?
It's white color.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
See, now you can move it properly, straight with this gumball. Suppose I want to move this 20 mm up. So you can just click on this green arrow. This I want to take this up 20. So box will open. You have to write 20 and enter. See, it moved to 20 up.
Okay.
Suppose I want this left side. So the arrow is going right side. And if you want left side, then what you will do? Minus. Yes, very good. Minus 20. Enter. See. Clear?
Yes, clear, madam.
Okay. Now, if you want to change the shape, suppose it placed here and it's not touching. So what you can do? You can change the shape and you can see like this. So according to the design, if it is needed, you can, using this small green and red ball, this box, you can do it. See like this. Okay, not only this, if it is rectangle, you can draw it from here. Suppose I want to connect here. So what you can do? First, rotate this. Now, according to this, I want to reduce this. And we can move it like, see.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear, madam.
Okay. So if you want to rotate and you have the degree, how much you want to rotate. So with this green, blue arc, click here. Suppose I want to rotate 45 degree. So here in the box, you have to write 45 and enter. See.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear, madam.
Okay. After this, one more thing, and then you have to practice and see whether you can do it properly or not. So we have the option of layers. Click on this layer. So in this, the first option is new layer. How many layers you want to create? You have to click here and see. Layer 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times you will click? You will get that layer.
Okay.
So what is the use of layer here? Suppose all these circles, I want to keep in layer 1. Okay. Here, all these circles I want to keep in layer 1. So select all, and in layer 1, you have to right click.
Okay.
Right click your mouse and change object layer.
Okay.
Okay, now you can lock it and hide it from here. See,
Okay.
it's not moving because I have locked this.
Okay.
If you want, you can change the name here. See, you will click here and circle. You can change the name so that if so many objects are there, if so many motives are there, you can remember with the name that where in which layer you have saved what. If you want to change the color, click on this black box and whatever color you want. Suppose I want red and okay. See,
Okay.
because we have changed the color, a layer of this.
Yes.
Now all these solid objects I want in layer 2. Change object layer. Solid objects.
Okay.
Like this you can do it. Now this I want gold. Okay. See.
Yes.
Now this oval I want to keep in layer 3. So dark green. And this oval.
Okay.
See. Now this one layer 4. Square.
Square.
Now this I want white. See.
Okay.
So if in layers, so many sub layers are there, meaning in circles, so many circles, small, big, so many circles are there. So you can create sub layer also.
Okay.
The second option is in circle, I want to create sub layer. You can select circle, then click here. See, sub layer is creating here.
Okay.
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 So you can create a sub layer of any layer. Now, if you want to delete anything, sub layer, suppose delete it. So select this, which one you want, and delete. Now, suppose this square, If you will select by mistake and you will press on delete, it will ask whether you want to delete this or not. If you will press yes, then only it will be deleted. See, that layer is deleted.
Yes.
Here?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes. Now, how to bring the picture? Using picture frame, you can bring any picture which you have downloaded or the customer has shared you. You can select that picture and you can, using picture frame, select the picture, suppose this one, and open. Now it's asking first corner of picture frame. So you have to decide. First corner, make it straight. And second corner. To make it straight, we have the shortcut key, press shift. If you will
Okay.
press shift, it will be straight. See.
Yes.
So now you got the picture here. So now if you want to keep this picture in layer, so that every time you don't have to go inside, hide and unhide. So what you can do in layer 5, change object layer. And now this picture is in C. You can lock it from here and you can start making the design. Okay?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now try it from this new to this linear dimension. Try it and let me know whether you have understood or not. Then we will go further. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If any doubt, you can ask.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Very good, Chitwan. You have done it correctly.
Thank you, ma'am.
बस एक चीज ये देखिए, ये नीचे हो गया है. ठीक है, ये सेम लेवल पे होना चाहिए हमेशा.
ओके.
वो शायद मूव हो गया है नीचे.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
बाकी
शायद.
और सब चीज प्रॉपर है. ठीक है, तो
ठीक है.
बस वो प्रॉपर कर लीजिए.
ओके मैम.
ओके. अर्शिया, आज जो भी बताया उसमें आपको कोई डाउट?
नो मैम.
नहीं.
नहीं मैम.
ओके. मैं 2 मिनट में आई. ओके. मधु, यू प्रैक्टिस इट. आई एम कमिंग इन 2 मिनट्स.
मैम
अच्छा आप कुछ पूछ रहे हैं?
मैम वो एक्चुअली जो सेंट्रल पार्ट में बना रही हूँ ना,
क्या क्या?
वो जो असाइनमेंट आपने भेजा था ग्रुप में,
हाँ
उसका जो सेंट्रल पार्ट में बनाने जा रही हूँ ना, अरे करके, अरे पोला कर्व करके, तो वो अनेबल टू ज्वाइन करके आ रहा है मैम, अनेबल टू ज्वाइन द कर्व्स।
लिंक भेजी हूँ, ज्वाइन करिए उससे, मैं देखती हूँ। अच्छा जो अभी मैंने भेजा है लिंक ग्रुप में, उससे ज्वाइन करिए।
हाँ जी मैम।
Madhu, when you are selecting it, it's written in the command. Always read the command. It's written, press enter when done. Press enter. Yes. Now this is locked. Clear?
मैम आप मुझे कोई पिक्चर सेंड कर दो इतने।
हाँ ओके।
मैम जैसे ये जो डिजाइन हम बना रहे हैं, ये किस में काम आएंगे? नेकलेस वगैरह में?
चितवन की प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए है, कर्व प्रॉपर करने के लिए।
अच्छा ठीक है मैम।
अच्छा कंफर्म करिए। हाँ ओपन करिए। ये देखिए कैसे ज्वाइन होगा। अच्छा अनम्यूट करिए।
हाँ मैम।
ये देखिए ओवरलैप करेगा तो ये कैसे ज्वाइन होगा?
मैम इसको ट्रिम करके फिर ज्वाइन करना रहेगा ना?
नहीं तो ट्रिम में तो फिर सेंटर में है ही नहीं ना।
ओके हाँ 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 राइट।
सारे में
ठीक है।
यही प्रॉब्लम है।
ठीक है।
ये देखिए यहाँ पे ये ज्वाइन नहीं है। ये देखिए ये सब आपने जो आरे पोलार किया है, ये ज्वाइन नहीं है, इसको ज्वाइन होना चाहिए।
ये भी बहुत
बाकी और सब तो ठीक है। थोड़ा और
मैम
इम्प्रूवमेंट आपको। क्या क्या?
ये लास्ट वाला जो फ्लावर में जब बना रही हूँ ना, जो सेंटर पार्ट है ये जो रेड पार्ट
ये?
में था, रेड पोर्शन नहीं वो टॉप वाला, तो वो भी सॉलिड कर रही हूँ ना, तो वो सॉलिड नहीं हो पा रहा है।
सॉलिड नहीं होगा, एक मिनट। यही बोल रहा है ना जो मैंने सेलेक्ट किया?
हाँ वही वाला।
एक मिनट। इसको चेक करना पड़ेगा कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है। देखिए
समझ गई।
ठीक है, अगर
ठीक।
ये क्लोज कर्व नहीं रहा तो वो सॉलिड नहीं होगा।
ठीक है
ठीक है,
ओके।
तो ये आपको थोड़ा जूम करके देखना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए आप ये जूम विंडो यूज कर सकते हैं, ये देखिए।
ठीक है
ठीक है,
ओके।
और कोई डाउट आशिया?
नहीं मैम।
ओके, मधु डन। Madhu, in perspective, do it shaded. Click on this drop down arrow. Shaded, second option. Yes. So now see, this is not solid. And you have created so many times. You have to create solid object only once. You have created 3 times. And now why this is not solid, we have to check. 1 minute. See, in one place only you have created 3 times. See, one, enter. Here, try it once here. You have created in one place thrice. You have to create only one curve, only one object. Make this solid. Do again what you are doing. Select this. Go to solid. Extrude planar curve straight. Yes. Now, one, enter. See, you were creating extrude curve, so it was only creating surface. Okay, clear? Now bring the picture. I have shared one picture, 1 minute. I'll share you one design. 1 minute. Wait. You don't have to start with this. 1 minute. First, you have to make this. Okay, after this, you have to make this. Okay, so download the two pictures which I've shared just now. Yes, first download this. Picture frame. Not in front view, in top view, you have to bring it. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Picture frame. Then you have to select this, open first corner of picture frame. So you have to decide from where you want to select. Slightly make it, place it bigger, like this. So not this one. Okay, now we have option of making the curve. So to make this curve, you have to select this one. In this curve, don't select the first one. If you will select the first one, control point curve, see what will happen. The point will go somewhere else. See, the lines, the curves are going somewhere else. So it won't be proper. So always when you are making the curve, the design, you have to select the second one, curve interpolate point, this one. So it's given from where you have to start. So you have to start it from here. And slowly you have to make it like this. Small points you have to make and place it over here. Suppose you have done mistake here. So you can press undo. And then you can do it again. You can zoom it. And you can make it till here. And to end this, right click, the command will end. Now again, start it from here or here, anywhere. From anywhere you can start. So start it from here. It's showing the end like this. Till here. Then to end the command, right click. Now, I'm keeping this picture in layer 5, change object layer. I'll hide it from here. If the curve is proper, then it is okay. If it's not proper, you can use this edit points on or points on, and you can edit the point and make it proper. Or to make this smooth, we have one more option, rebuild. Okay. To make the curve smooth, you can use rebuild command. How many points? See the black line you can see, right? So the black line is the correction and the yellow line is what you have made. So suppose 8 and okay, see. So if the curve is not smooth, you can use this and you can make the curve smooth. Now, and you have to make this close curve. To make this close curve, you have to click on join. This puzzle one is join. So it's written in the command, two curves join into one close curve. It is one close curve now. Now try this. I'm moving this here. Try this and show me. Now move the page up like this. See. Yes. Now hide this. Now see, is the curve proper? No. See. So what you will do, select this, use rebuild command. Write in the command rebuild. Yes. Okay. Press OK. Yes. Now select the second one. No, only second. Okay. Now select both and you have to join this. Select yes. Join. Okay, clear? Okay. Now try for this. This one. See now what happened? 1 minute. Now what happened? It's rounded. I don't want rounded. I want it pointed like this. So what you will do? Again, select this. Okay, start it from here. See, if you will merge this, it will be rounded. I don't want rounded, so you have to intersect this like this. And now what you will do? We have two options. Okay, one option is trim command and the other option is split command. So if you are using trim command, let me hide this. See, if you are using trim command, next this join is there. Below this, we have trim command. Select this. If you are using trim command, it should be selected. Select object. Always read the command. select object to trim. So see, now one part is deleted. If you will again with select this, what will happen? The entire design got deleted. So you have to deselect. Again, you have to click, right click. You will get the command again and you will click. Then you will easily do the trim command. One option is this. The second option is 1 minute. Yes, the second option is split command. So how split work? We have to create one line. Line is from here. Create one line. Like this. Now select the object. Select the cutting object. This line is my cutting object. Select, press enter when done. So press enter. So now one curve split into 3 pieces. Now see, you can select this and you can delete and you got pointed area. Clear? And if it is pointed, you will never use rebuild command. If it is pointed and you will use rebuild command, see, it will be rounded. It won't be pointed anymore. Clear? Madhu, clear? So make this and show me this one. Good. Yes. End it. End it. Yes. Now you can use either trim command or you can use hide the object. The picture, hide it. Yes. End the command again. End the command. Yes. 1 minute. Press escape. The command will end. Again, right click. You will get the command back. Then click here. Click here. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes. Now click here. So clear. Now show me how you will do split command. 1 minute. And this curve is slightly not proper. So don't use rebuild command here. Points on or edit point. And this point, see. Like this, you can make it proper. How to end the points? You have to press escape in your keyboard. The top left, you have ESC button. You have to press that and the points will go. Now how you will use split command? Show me. End that command. Press escape. Yes. Now click on split. Next to trim, we have split. Yes. Not this. Yes. Now it's asking select cutting object. This line is our cutting object. Yes. Press enter. Yes. Now select all the 3. This. Press shift and select. You can delete one by one. If it is not selecting, delete one by one. Yes. Yes. So clear? So this is join. You don't need to join it. This is already one closed curve. Now, how you will make this? You can make this with the curve or we have option arc here. Easily you can create with the arc. The second option, arc. So first point, second point. The second one, arc, you have to select first point, second point and see like this. Till where you want, you have to make it. Then again, first point, second point and like this. Where arc is there, then only you can use this. Here you cannot use. So here you have to work with this only. Interpolate point. Start it from here. The shape, you have to make it proper. It's a hand drawing. If it is not proper, you have to create it properly. And end it over here. Then again, start it from here. like this. Then you have to select this and join. Now show me, make it here and show me. The second one, yes. Good. Yes. Arc only. If you want to reuse the command, right click. You will get the command back. You don't have to select, go and select. Click. Yes. Now select the curve, interpolate point. Yes. Now see, this curve is not proper. Use rebuild command. Reduce the points. Reduce the point from here. See. Now this is proper. So you have to see how many points you will take and it will be proper. See. Now join it. Yes. Now this one. This and this you have to show me how you will do. Undo it. Join. Rebuild. Increase the point. This is not coming proper. 8 is okay. 8, 9. You have to see. Slightly if you want that, no, it's not still not proper, then you can points on and you can make it proper. Now select this, trim. Rebuild. Select this, this, and join. Clear? Now make this. One minute. Why you need to make it like this? It won't, if it is rounded, if it is coming rounded, then you have to do it. Or else no, you don't have to do it. So first, this is not proper, use rebuild. Now because you have done it, use it, but it's not needed here. And join. Now create this solid. Select all together. Yes. Come to all the 4 view. In top view, it won't be visible. Come to all 4 view. Yes. Now go to solid. Extrude planar curve straight. 1. Enter. Yes. So this is clear and very good. You have done it correctly. So do one thing. Click the picture of this and share the picture in the group. Okay. And homework for you is you have to complete this one. So see, here the curve is not proper, but when you will make, you have to make this proper. You cannot make it like this. It is hand drawing. So here, it's not proper. Here. So you have to make it proper. Okay, Madhu? And click the picture of this and share. Arshia, बोलिए.
मैम वो मैंने करेक्शन करके भेज दिया, आप एक बार चेक कर लो. मेरा ज़ोहो भी कनेक्ट है मैम.
ओके. ओपन करिए, वो फाइल ओपन करिए. Good. Now this is okay. अभी clear हुआ अर्शिया?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ. Madhu, unmute yourself.
Madam.
Yes. So you have to complete the work which I have shared. I'll share you all the notes and the recording also will be shared to you.
Okay.
So you have to complete it and you have to share in the group. Okay. The next
This one,
class
madam?
will be on Tuesday.
Madam, this one you sent it the third one. I have to do.
This one you have to make.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Only this one.
That is all shapes.
Yes, all shapes.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
All shapes, and you have to create 3D object also after creating all the motives.
Okay, madam.
Okay. So any doubt for today?
No,
Madhu?
No, madam.
Okay. So shall we
Thank you.
wind up then? Chitwan, Arshia, Madhu?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. बोलिए अर्शिया.
मैम ये जो आपने फ्लोरल पिक्चर भेजा है जो
हाँ ये
बनाना है
आपको करना है. हाँ.
इसमें मैम वो जो कर्व्स है इसको प्रॉपर करने के लिए मैं क्या यूज करूँ? पॉइंट्स
सारे
ऑन वाला
कमांड्स
यूज
तो आपको पता है.
हाँ मैम, लेकिन वो आप बोले कि परफेक्ट नहीं आ पा रहा है ना कर्व्स मेरा, तो
नहीं तो वो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना होगा, इसीलिए कर्व्स दिया जा रहा है कि प्रैक्टिस हो. वो प्रैक्टिस पे ही होगा. कोई कमांड वो नहीं है कि अपने आप हो जाएगा. रीबिल्ड कमांड है, पॉइंट्स ऑन है, इसके अलावा और कोई कमांड नहीं है. वो आपको ही प्रॉपर करना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. ओके.
थैंक यू मैम.
ओके. So shall we wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye Chitwan. Bye Arshia. Bye Madhu.
Bye
Bye,
Have a
ma'am.
nice evening and happy Durga Puja.
Thank you.
Same to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.